Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to see what's happening over the long week, over the 4th of July weekend. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. I hope you have a beautiful weekend with your family. Try to only think what you want to have happen. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. 786 account pulled back. We were at 807, so it gave back almost all the gains that we had that week. It went from 787 to 773 up to 807, and then again pulled back to 786, so about even on the week. Bitcoin was pumping. You can see where I opened trades at 98 on the 23rd. Then it pumped to 110, and then it pulled back to 107. I added another half a Bitcoin there, and then we got a bounce on the 4th of July. Funding fee has gone negative. My Bitcoin trade, $21,000 in the profits. It's now, I paid $365 to make $21,000, and now it's a $357,000 trade, 3.5 Bitcoin. Ethereum, we bought it on the 26th as well. I didn't add more. 26th. At 21k, 23rd of the 6th, and then we came to 2,600, and then it pulled back to 2,500. Funding fee slightly positive. Paid $115 for this $10,000 trade. I've got more orders on Ethereum at 2,389, which is beautiful. Let's go into the technicals. Bitcoin 108,000. On the weekly, we have 23 hours remaining on the week, and the weekly candle so far is a doji reversal candle, like a shooting. It's a doji candle. You'll be able to see it if I clear up the charts a little bit. I'm going to hide the chart. You can see it now, a little bit of a doji candle. This one here could be reversal. We need to get a push up to turn into a hammer, or this is not going to be good for Bitcoin. It will mark the top. But still looking good on the other indicators. Crypto Guru Bot is still a blue buy. You get it in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com. Fired a blue buy on the 27th of 23rd, 2023 at 23k, and still 108k, still a buy. Bitcoin Indicator Bot is also a buy from the bottom, that 80k, hasn't fired a sell yet. Stochastic did double top, but still heading up. Squeeze Mob still going green. You learn how to read all these in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com. And on the weekly, it's still a huge bull flag. And I do believe we get one more final impulse pump into the September, 4 weeks after the halving, 4 years after the halving, 560 days after the halving. There's a bull flag here, and I do believe that target is 137 based off the poll. Let's see if it plays out. None of this is financial information, everyone. You have to do your own due diligence. These are my trades, and this is what I see and interpret. So it still looks like a bull flag. You can see here more clearly this pole and then flag when I zoom in on the daily. Stochastic though is overbought, and it did double top, and it is curving down. Squeeze Mob is going green. It broke out. Bitcoin broke out here. It made a slightly higher. We had 111,000, then 110,000, then 110,000, slightly higher high. So that's good to see. It didn't make a lower high. On the 4 hourly, we broke out, and then we came back in, and now we're at resistance of this trend line. You can see here. I'm still bullish because you let your runners run. Don't close your winning positions too early, in my opinion. We came down and activated this trade. I added more. You can see the 200 weekly moving average down here. So I would set the trade here at 106,000. Stop loss at 105,000, and take profit. I would still take it to the target. Risk reward is 36 times, $856 to make $31,000. 10x leverage would be 310,000. Trade opens at 106,000. Stop loss is at 105,000. Let's see if I've got an order for Bitcoin. I've got it at 105. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. Let's check out Ethereum now, see if that gives us more information. Ethereum 2,500 on the weekly. Ethereum stochastic is not yet overbought, still turning up. Volume is growing, which is good to see. Crypto Guru Bot is still, it's a sell. It hasn't fired a buy yet. It fired a sell and then dropped, didn't fire a buy. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a buy, but it fired a sell the week before, so it's fluctuating a lot here. It doesn't know the direction at the moment. On the daily, stochastic is overbought. Time to buy is when the stochastic is oversold below the dotted line. So here was the time to buy when we bought that dip on the 23rd of the 6th of June. We bought there, and we bought at 2,100. That was the time to buy. Time to sell is when the stochastic is above the dotted line. So it could be right now, actually. And you can see this pattern plays very consistently. However, I do believe Ethereum looks like it could be... Hold on, let me adjust the chart. Let's go closer onto the 4-hourly. 4-hourly stochastic is oversold. It came back and touched this support where it had the trade. It came very close to activating. We came down to 2,486, and now we're at 2,500. I would move it to the 200 weekly moving average. So here, 2,476. Still looks like a bull flag on the 4-hourly. Pole and flag. I would open at 2,476 on, or we've got supports here also. Big support. The main area of support, I would say, is there. This is the strong area of support. You can see here where many times it's touched these lines. You can see where it bounced off multiple times here, here, all here. So there's a lot of support in this area. This is a strong support area, this area here. So I'd move the trade to there, 2,447, stop loss 2,4111, sorry, risking 35 per Ethereum to make, and then I'll take it to the top of that resistance. Then I'll take it to the yearly resistance. If there is a final impulse pump on Bitcoin, that Ethereum will follow. So this is the trade I'll take. 25 risk to reward ratio, $35 to make 900 per Ethereum. The trade would open at 2,448, stop loss at 2,411, and take profit at 3,300, the yearly resistance. $35 to make $899 with no leverage. 10x leverage will be $8,900. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. And again, I'm in both these trades right now. 21,000 profit on Ethereum, 10,000 profit. 10,000 profit on Ethereum, 21,000 on Bitcoin, and my Bitcoin trade got bigger, which is beautiful. Join us in the Telegram. There's 184 people online. They fixed. It looks like they fixed the translate now on Telegram. Maybe. Yeah, it does look like they fixed the Telegram translate, which is good. Donald Trump.
Okay. I need the price to go up. I can't take this anymore. Every day I'm checking the price and
we've been winning because we bought the dip in April on the tariff news and made mega gains, which is beautiful. People discussing. Join them in the conversation. There's 184 of you inside the Telegram right now. This guy set a trade. You can join him in the Telegram. The links are down below. Under the video, go down below. Bybit, you get a 60k bonus. Main exchange I trade. Weex, you get $200 bonus just for signing up. KYC free worldwide exchange. $200 bonus is exclusive USA, UK, and Australia. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And over on X, there is a giveaway right now. 107,900 followers on X. This was me in 2018. Bitcoin is like the invention of the gun. Even if for 100,000 years bow and sword skills was coveted, when the gun was invented, that was it. Technology surpasses everything. And Bitcoin is still the gun and still people using bow and arrows. Concerning change coming from Indian crypto users on Bybit. Starting next week, it might worry you. This update, they're going to put 18% GST on every trade, which is crazy. No one will be able to profit, and then they'll just end up not trading and leaving India. Bitcoin, make sure it doesn't happen in your country. Vote anyone out that pushes taxes or trading taxes, or they're just morons. Bitcoin at 108,000, bounce or break here. When you stand before God, you cannot say that someone gave me orders to kill. Added half a Bitcoin on support. Happy 4th of July to support. And we got a little bit of a bounce there, which is beautiful. And now my Bitcoin trade slightly in profits and more in profits. And X, over on in Bybit, they're giving away, they've got a big competition. All roads lead to EU Bybit. 100,000 USDC in epic prizes. 5 iPhone 16 Pro Maxes. 10 PlayStation 5s. The link is down below. Make sure you use that link to join this EU promo. To go in this competition. 5 iPhone 16 Pros, 10 PlayStations. I'm always getting the exchanges to give prizes to the community. Yesterday's video, 6 of 10. 3,000 views on YouTube. I get much more views on X. You can see here. my X views are much bigger than this was yesterday's video, 7,200, so nearly double the views than on YouTube. Peace King, thank you. Let's go 117. Amazing stuff, bro. I followed the trade you have on Bitcoin and up massive. I'm adding right now 107k on the dip. Epic. What Bitcoin trade target after the bull run? My target is 130, 135, 38, what I showed in the charts. He said 140, 150 in previous video. He's usually right. Thank you very much, Viral, for supporting. Let's see if we're right. If after that happens, then we need to see the correction and how big it is. Never thought a YouTube video film my whole investing game. That's why I'm here. Imagine missing a 30x because you panic sold on a red candle. Couldn't be me. Thanks a lot, Guru. Another video today. Peace. Peace, everyone. Okay, Doge. I'll try and do Doge if there's more requests. Although I'm surprised you're so good at trading, but unable to pronounce John Maynard Keynes. Hard word. Don't mean you're stupid when you can't spell it correctly. He's very smart. I know a lot of people that stumble over words that are very smart. I'm saying a lot of words in the video. Never said he was stupid. I was just surprised. Okay, sorry, bro. Awesome conversation, everyone. Join us in the conversation. Join the Telegram. Lots of comments. Thank you all for these amazing comments and messages. And going to that Bybit price, I'm going to keep getting the exchanges to give away, like if they want me to talk about them, I want them to give lots of gifts to the community. We gave $100. We gave an iPhone 16 last week. Now there's 10 iPhone 16s, PlayStations. I'm going to keep getting these exchanges to give you guys gifts for me to show them in my videos. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. I trade a lot on Bybit. It's the main exchange I trade. I trade on Charles Schwab and Interactive Brokers for stocks. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.